Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward guide on managing your digital assets. Today, we're diving into how to transfer TRX from Revolut to Gemini in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or just move your Tron coins around, this step-by-step process will make it simple and stress-free. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring TRX like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Revolut account with TRX in it and a Gemini account ready to go. If you don't have these, pause here and get them sorted. It's quick and easy. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and log in. Head over to the Crypto tab. This is where all your digital currencies are managed. Once you're there, find your TRX balance and select it. You'll see an option to withdraw or transfer. Go ahead and tap that. Next, in Step 2, you'll need to choose the withdrawal method. Select Crypto Wallet as your destination. Now, switch over to your Gemini app or website. Log in, go to your wallet, and find the TRX section. Here, you'll generate a wallet address. Copy that address carefully, as it's your key to a successful transfer. Back in Revolut, paste the Gemini wallet address into the withdrawal form. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, which could lead to lost funds. Enter the amount of TRX you want to transfer, keeping in mind any fees involved. Revolut might charge a small fee, and network fees for Tron could apply too. Step 3. Review everything on the confirmation screen. Make sure the details are spot on, then hit confirm. You'll get a transaction ID, so keep that handy. Now, sit back and wait. It usually takes a few minutes, but could be up to an hour depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to Gemini and refresh your wallet. You should see your TRX appear. That's it, you've successfully transferred your TRX. A quick tip. Always use the correct network for TRX, which is the Tron network, to prevent any issues. And remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so stay cautious. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. See you next time.